Today our discussion topic is X-ray diffraction and Brock's laws. X-ray diffraction. X-rays are high energy photons having a wavelength of 10 power 2 to several angstroms. They are generated by the bombardment of a metal anode with high voltage electrons. The radiation is a result of injection of linear cell electron from the target atoms followed by descent of a outer electron to fill the vacant space. The emission of photons short different energies. For the most common anode material, the injected electron arises S from K cell, S cell from K cell. The vacancy is filled in by descent of an electrons from the L cell. K alpha radiation is produced if the discreting electrons comes from the M cell. The emitted radiation K beta has higher energy and a short lambda. Higher energy and a short to lambda. X-rays are used in chemical analysis several ways. X-rays emitted by an existed element has a wavelength characteristics of electrons elements. This property is used in both quantitative and qualitative analysis of element. X-rays absorbed by the element are also specific to it. The most useful analytic method involves diffraction of X-ray from the plane of a crystals. The diffraction analysis is diffraction analysis. When X-ray impinging on atoms, radiation is scattered in various directions. When the radiation is reflected by successive plane of the atoms present in crystals, Bragg pointed out that the scattering of X-rays should be considered as a reflection from successive place of the crystals. Successive place of the crystals. The reflection X-rays can take place only at certain angle which are determined by the wavelength of the X-rays and the distance between the plane of the crystals. At those angles, the reflected rays are in phase to the scattered total intensity maximum. The fundamental equation which given has simple relation between of the X-rays lambda, wavelength lambda, the interplanar distance in the crystals d, and the angle of reflections theta is known as Bragg equations. N lambda is equal to d sin theta, where n is number of order, where lambda is wavelength of the X-rays and d is interplanar distance of the crystals, and theta is Bragg angle. Now showing the diagram, the Bragg equation, where green color lines are denoted as interplanar distance. They are equally separated. The distance is d. Here d is interplanar distance. They are equally separated. Equally separated. Where are X-rays ray 1, rays 1 and rays 2. Rays 1 and rays 2 incident on crystal planes interplanar distance point. Where is interplanar points incident, the incident angle theta. Whenever incident the X-rays in plane theta, when also reflected X-rays due to X-rays in interplanar distance d, also coherence rays. The deviation of the angle is 2 theta, and ray 1 ray 2 X-rays incident and reflection angle is theta. Then the path difference between ray 1 and ray 2 is 2d sin theta. The path difference of the ray 1 ray 2 is 2d sin theta. First constitutive reflections is n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. N lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. The horizontal line represented parallel planes in the crystalline structures separated from the another by distance d. When a beam of X-rays falls on the crystal at the angle theta, some of the radiation will be reflected from the first plane, upper plane, at the same angle theta. When ABC and DEF presents plane perpendicular to the incident reflection beams and represently OL and OM drawing parallel to the ABC and DEF represently and perpendicular to the incident and reflected beams. All the incident rays are in phase, but the light wave represented by BL will have to cover an additional path length Ln plus Nm. Then the light wave AO. If the path length is equal to the lambda multiply of the wavelength, both the reflected rays OD and ME will be in phase and supplement to the other. Whenever phase lines is also called as coherence lines. Coherence lines. Those the rays reflected by different layers plane will be in phase with another only if the difference in path length of the waves reflected from the successive plane is equal to an integral number of wavelengths. The difference is path length delta is equal to Ln plus Nm. Delta is equal to n lambda multiplies of wavelength n lambda plus is equal to Ln plus Nm, that is equal to Ln. where ln is equal to d sin theta and lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. Every micromolecule will have the definite set of plane due to unique arrangement of the atoms within. Atoms located exactly on the crystal plane contribute maximally to the intensity of the diffracted beam. If the atom present off wave between the plane extra maximum destructive interference. The scattering power of the an atom of X-rays also depend upon the number of electron it processes. The position of the diffracted beam from a crystal depends upon the size and shape of the representative unit of the crystal and the wavelength of the incident beam. Intensity of the diffracted beam depends on the type of atom in the fundamental representative unit, the unit cell. Scattered intensity from a given atom increased directly with the atom number. With a monochromatic X-ray beam, only at a limit number of angle diffraction of the beam occur. The octal angle are determined by the wavelength of the X-rays, the escaping between the plane and crystals. Rotating crystal method. A single crystal is being rotated about the one of the its axis when a monochromatic X-ray radiation it is incident on it. The reflected beam line as supported on the surface of axis with or coaxes with the rotation axis. By rotating the crystal about various axes, the three unit cell dimension are obtained. The component of the X-ray spectrophotometer from the rotated crystals techniques. X-rays generated equanimity collimator monochromator slide a turn-off table and recorders. The source of X-rays is an X-ray tube which is a large vacuum tube contain hardly cathode emit the electrons and anode target. Electrons emitted by the cathodes are accelerated through the high voltage field between cathode and the target. The electrons stick to the target and transfer their Ke to the atoms of the target material will emit X-rays. The wavelength of X-rays is decided by the target element, the voltage. An increases in the tube voltage result in an increases in the total energy emitted and the rays produced will be shorter wavelength lambda. The target metal kept in usually copper and molybdenum. The impinging electrons keep the target heated, their force in the cooled by the running water. The radiation from an X-ray tube is collimated either by series of closely spaced parallel metal points or by building of tube 0.5 mm or laser diameters. The monochromators employed used are crystals of sodium chloride, quartz, or heavy metal factum acid. A monochromatic radiation is obtained by reflecting X-rays from a crystal plane at a specific angle. From shorter wavelength crystals having a small d-spacing are used. Crystals having a larger space between the plane add X-rays from the higher wavelengths. The ample of a crystal is used is generally affixed to a thin glass capillary, which in turn is effectively of biframe. This assembly is mounted on the turn-off table, which is rotated gradually to charge to the glowing angle of the X-rays instead of crystals. The rays reflected from the crystal falls on the detectors. The detector used may be a photographic plate on diffractometers. The photographic method are used from primarily crystals studies dated to several unit cell parameter on symmetry. X-rays likes visible light activate silver yielding has from radiation, and those are position of the deflected beams are located in photographic plate used as a detectors. X-ray film usually have a behave coating of silvers hold than ordinary photographic emulsion. When the reflected rays falls on the photographic plate, dark as produced when the reflection are maximum. In the powder method, the crystal is reflected by the powder of the sample, which contains a larger number of the very small randomly oriented crystals. Takes in a test tube and a continuous cone of the reflected rays are produced. The X-rays diffraction assemble is circular in a shape. The film is in the form of circular as flash agents. The inner circumference of the assemble has a diameter of 57.31 by 114.6 by 114.3 143.2 mm. In the case of lighted area, in the form of a cross of line at a different distance from the incident beams are produced. Once the angle theta has been calculated, lambda known, the interplanar spacing is calculated using a standard table. The process of determining a crystal structures can be divided into two parts, experimentally and computationally. The first involves choosing a crystal, determining its lattice geometry and symmetry, and measuring the relative intensity of a larger number of diffracted rays. The second transformation curve data to a representations of the electron distribution in the crystal from which the direction information the molecules can detections. The unit cell determination are determined from the spacing between the adjacent intensity spots in the diffraction image. The closer space between atom in the crystals, the further is intensity peaks position in the diffraction image. The intensity of the diffracted beam depends upon position of the atom in the unit cell. The spots closer to the center of the pattern resulted from X-ray scattered at a smaller angle from the crystal and provided information on the gaseous aspect from the molecule, that is the longer space within the molecules. The spot closer to the proposed from the photographic represented the close space aspect from the molecule within the crystals. Next, application of the X-ray diffraction and Bragg's law. X-ray diffractions given a cleaner information of the molecular architectures of the complex organic structures. The gaseous molecular continuity and the relative spectrochemistry of the molecules are obtained. The position of carbon and behavior atom can be found with a precision of the about 0.003 angstroms. The location of hydrogen atom is less precise, but the occurrence of the hydrogen bounded the HH interaction of the conformation and packing are easily followed. The determination of the unit cell help in the internotification of the substance, determination of the molecular weights, molecular space, bond length is bond angle. X-ray diffraction was the maintained tools in the structure determination of the micromolecules such as spectral contaminations and nucleic acids. This is the class of X-ray diffractions and Bragg's law.